So this is the Ice Barrel, and it is shockingly unpleasant. But that was my first time. This thing is solid construction, heavy duty, comes with a step stool, 55 pounds empty. Here I am at 1 minute. The Ice Bath Ice Barrel has so many benefits, and I wanted one where I was sitting straight up. I didn't want one where I was laying down, and there's plenty of room in this one. So as you can see, at 6'2", I can go underwater here, and the water's still a little ways from the top, probably 4 to 6 inches. The heavy-duty lid fits nice and tight, so it's not going to let the cold escape. And right here, as you can see, it has feet, so it's going to keep that nice and stable. It doesn't move around or rock back and forth. Here I am at 2 minutes. As you can see, running off the Ice Barrel, I have a filter with hoses, and they actually run to a water chiller. And it's important to note that the chiller, the hoses, the filter, those don't come with the Ice Barrel. Here I am at 3 minutes. Overall, I'm really happy with the Ice Barrel. The solid construction keeps the water nice and cool, and look forward to the water therapy. But yeah, there's plenty of room in here, and works really well and fits in a fairly small space.